Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, as per the given question, we need to create the probability distribution of a player winning the Ohio Pickup 4 game. So we need to consider the different possible outcomes and their associated probabilities. So in this game, there are two possible outcomes, which is the first one is we win $3,400, which is a win in the four number of coming up in the exact order you picked. And the next one is we lose $1, the cost of playing the game, if the number do not come up in the exact order you picked. So let us denote X as the players winning, where X is equals to $3,400 with the probability of P of X is equals to $3,400, where P of X is equals to this value, and X is equals to minus $1. P of X is equals to minus $1 for this. So this value, let us fill the table where we have X and P of X as the values, where this is $3,400 and minus $1, and here it gives the answer as the probability of winning the P of X is equals to $3,400 and probability of X is equals to minus $1, which is a losing of 1. And now let us go for the next bit. In order to find the expected winning of, which is E of X, we need to calculate its weighted sum of the possible outcomes, which is E of X is equals to $3,400 into probability of winning 3,400 plus minus of $1 into probability of losing $1. So for this we need to substitute the values, which is $3,400 into probability of X is equals to $3,400 plus minus $1 into probability of X is equals to minus $1. So now we need to use the calculations, and we need to assume that the probability of winning 1 is 10,000, 1 in 10,000, as there are 10,000 possible 4-digit numbers, and the probability of losing is 9999 in 10,000 options. So this is equals to 3,400 into 1 of 10,000 plus minus 1 of 9999 of 10,000. So for this value it gives $0.34 plus minus of 0.9999. So when we add this value, it gives minus of 0.6599 as the answer when rounded to the nearest decimal places. So the expected winning are approximately equals to minus 0.66 is the answer. So the expected winning are this value per game. And now Let us calculate the next bit, where the correct interpretation of the expected winning is, if you play the Ohio lottery many times, you can expect the win of minus $0.66 per game. So this means on an average, you should lose approximately. So this is, we say that we need to lose around $0.66 for each game for playing over the long run. This would be the probability in order to win for a long run game. Thank you. I hope this video finds you helpful.